West Agartala Police have once again seized a massive consignment of 750 bottles of contraband Eskuf cough syrup from the Agartala Main Post Office. The police have seized the entire consignment under the NDPS Act. Acting on a precise tip-off regarding the misuse of postal service for narcotic smuggling, a police team raided the processing section of the State Central Postal Hub. During the search, officers intercepted suspicious parcels containing 750 bottles of the codeine-based syrup, which is heavily abused as an intoxicant. The police have seized the entire consignment under the NDPS Act. Investigators are currently tracing the booking details, tracking numbers, and address labels to identify the source of the contraband and the intended recipients in the state. Local authorities have registered a case and are coordinating with postal officials to bust this cross-border smuggling ring exploiting courier channels. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.